Alright, what's going on, guys? So, as you know from my previous video, I got a new radiator and fan set up for the Miata, and I informed Orion that it came in because it wasn't supposed to be here till, I'd say, probably about the end of this week. And he informed me that my Miata has been misfiring now lately, so he suggested that I should go out and buy some new spark plugs and wires, and that's what I
So
did.
after I got out of work, I went over to Advanced Auto in Bristol, where I'm from, and I picked up these Bosch Platinum spark plugs. They're like $4 a piece, somewhere around there. They should do the job, hopefully. And then the guy said I was lucky because this was the last thing of spark plug wires they had in stock before they had a special order them for me. As you know, yeah, lucky me. So this should fix my misfire problem, and hopefully we can get this done and the radiator done and have what I have planned for the car started at the same time, and just keep up with Hager Garage to hopefully Orion will record what we do this weekend on the car. If not, I'll try and keep you guys informed whenever I have a chance. Thanks.